Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us.
Great company, our yard looks great, and the tech who treats our yard is very professional. They'll always have our business. Highly recommended.
Let us help you with our excellent customer service as well as our years of knowledge and experience. Let our company earn your business. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.